got an absolutely wrecked regulator. Window won't wind up and down. And we have already replaced the switch, but seems like it must be a dead motor. Okay, so we've got the new window regulator. Now, flathead and Phillips head screwdriver is optional. These here make it a lot easier if you need to pull the door trim off or you need to pop the clips out. I'm also doing it the fast way, so I've just got the adapter and the 10mm on the end of that and a Phillips head drill bit. But first things first, we'll get Maria to turn the big 80 around so that the door actually stays open. So, get this up. This is a switch we'd already replaced, which wasn't necessary. Get this plastic off. You can see here, it just pops out. That's it, just pops straight out. This one just pops straight up. One there. One there. One under here. Little one there. Now we want to pop this straight back as quick as possible so you don't lose as many clips. Alright, get this down out of the way. Pull this back, sound deadening. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. Swap this over to the 10mm. Now, Maria will hold the window so it doesn't fall out, but there should be some other 10mm up the top we can't access until we get this out.
Hold it like that.
Now, we've got a lead around here. We've got a disconnect like that. We've got to push this clip in. So that it can go out. There we go. Now the window should drop down.
You want it to drop?
Yep, slowly. Let go. You need to come down so I can get the window to where we can access these 10mm bolts.
I can see it.
Can you see there's a 10mm bolt there? There's one. I've got to get this to come down and not be in the way. Need to get this one here too. Can you film it? It's right there. See, there's another one. This one's looking old and ugly. And let's let go of the window. Now the window's right up. I get you to just wedge your fingers in there so it can't go anywhere. Good. And we can just pull this straight out. And there it is.
That's so easy.
Back together. Click that back in. Just got to line these holes back up.
Just wants to slip.
Well, pull back that way and go in the middle of the window. Pull one of these two up. There's 2 holes there. Now, I don't think it would be necessary to have 2 people, but having 2 people, make sure you don't damage your tint. Now, keys on the window down to the bottom. Where's that? There we go.
That's so fast.
So we've got the holes on either side. So now we have the holes on either side. We're going to drop the window down slowly until we line up with these holes and then put the bolts back in. Do a quick test. Much better.
That window's never moved so fast.
Piece of sanding here, and up here, out of the way. Make sure we don't cover anything else. Turn it back over. Pop the wire back through. Put everything back on. Swap back to the Phillips head on the drill. All of them crack.
Door's been off there a few times now.
Central locking.
Central locking speakers. Sound opening.
New switch. All popped in. Ready to go. Now we're going to do a final test. Ignition on. Nice. Sounds brand spanking new. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good one.